Hello, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We are from Group 8 and my name is Zamir Hakim bin Shafarizal. My metric number is 286510.
My name is Ahmad Afiquddin bin Abdul Rahim and my metric number is 286322.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hanif Haidar Azhar Ramadan bin Malik and my matrix number is 287 and 605.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Khairi and my metric number is 288911.
Today, me and my friends will present about the category of the Malaysian creative industry. I will discuss three categories of Malaysia in creative industry. So I will start the presentation first. Malaysia creative industry is classified into three sectors, which is multimedia, culture art and culture heritage. I'll discuss the definitions of the first creative industry category, which is multimedia. The term multimedia can be described as a container or unification of several media, which are then characterized as the component of multimedia. Text, graphics, sound, animation, and video are examples of this element. So the second is cultural art. Culture and creative industry can also be defined as a means by which people create various social, cultural, and individual identities while conveying value, perception, consideration, ideas, vision, spiritual meaning, life patterns, and experience through time and space. So finally, the third category is cultural heritage. Cultural heritage includes tangible culture such as building monuments, landscapes, books, works of art, and artifacts. Intangible culture such as folklore, traditions, language, and knowledge. Natural heritage including culturally important landscape and biological diversity. So the term is often used in connection with issues related to the protection of indigenous intellectual property. Okay, now I will get into the second topic of this discussion. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic that hit our country has affected various sectors, and the creative industry sector has also not escaped receiving this impact. Based on me and my friend research, we choose to say that the multimedia creative industry that we feel can contribute the most to the Malaysian economy during this post-pandemic period. The first reason is that, as we can see, the product produced by Malaysian multimedia sector have gone beyond the international level. A combination of creative and digital work can be seen in the work of popular Malaysian animated films. For example, we can see through the very famous children animated series nowadays, such as Upin and Ipin. This animated series is said to really make an impact using the best and international standard graphic technology. Okay, the second reason is that many great art activists have been born. This is because nowadays we can see that there are many young people or a new generation who are interested in or wanting to venture into this field. As a result, more works will be produced and commercialized to the highest level. Okay, for the last reason why we are choose multimedia creative industry, today society find it easier to watch their favorite series or movie just from home. This should be emphasized during this COVID-19 pandemic because people no longer have to bother going to the cinema to watch movies. Instead, they just need to subscribe and it can be watched at home. This will become the new norm in society and will help improve the Malaysian economy through such a method. As an example, we can see that a company like Astro has created two release or channels. The name is Astro Best and Astro First. User can subscribe to the movie that they want to watch at a cheap and worthwhile price. Everything is just at your fingertip. Okay, that's all from me, and I will hand over this presentation to my friend Afiq. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Zame. Okay, I will continue the presentation with three different companies of multimedia creative industry. Company that we have been chosen is Les Kopak Production Sendian Berhad, Scope Production Sendian Berhad, and Astro Malaysia's Holding Berhad. The first one is the Les Kopak Productions Sdn Bhd. Let's Copec was founded in December 2005 by publishers Haji Burhanuddin, Muhammad Razi, and Hajah Ainun Arif. They, along three multimedia university (MMU) graduates, have started the company. Okay, Let's Copec is a most popular animation company at Malaysia. In 2007, Let's Copec introduced Malaysia's most famous animated character, which is Upin and Ipin, in conjunction with Ramadan and Aldi Fitri. They also make a film about Upin and Ipin, which is Gang, The Adventure Begins, which also featured the twin brothers. Let's Copec also very popular at our neighboring country, which is Indonesia. The second one is the Scope Production Sdn Bhd. Scope Production is a Malaysian television and film production company and established on 13 March 1985 by Datuk Yusof Aslam. Okay, the last company that we have been chosen is Astro Malaysia Holdings Berhad. Astro Network across Asia, formerly known as Astro All Asia Networks PLC, is a Malaysian entertainment holding company that provides management service to its subsidiaries. The company is involved in the content creation, radio broadcasting service, library licensing, interactive multimedia services, magazine publishing, and Malaysian film production. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter, which is Luqman.
Right, thank you, Afiq. We will continue our presentation with Malaysia Standard Industrial Classification (MSIC). MSIC is a standard classification of productive economic activities. The creative industry is one of these productive economic activities in Malaysia. This is the example of the MSIC groups and codes for the multimedia creative industry. As you can see, the multimedia creative industry has 9 MSIC groups and 14 MSIC codes. Malaysia Standard Industrial Classification provides a set of activity categories where entities or items can be classified according to the economic activity they carry out. The Malaysia Standard Industrial Classification 2008 version 1.0 document is widely used as a source of reference for the classification of industry or economic activity. It is available in the physical form of a book or a PDF version. And as you can see, the PDF version consists of 589 pages. This is one of the reasons that the EMSIC 2008 version 1.0 system was developed. The system was developed to help and ease users to find MSIC codes faster compared to using the MSIC book manually. The system also helps users to find the correct and accurate industry codes. We can access the system by following the link as shown. Now, let's continue with Hanif.
Which is first is our Let's Copec Productions Sdn Bhd, Scope Productions Sdn Bhd, and the Astro Malaysia Pegah Berhad. For the first of the both company, which is Let's Copec and Scope Production, the group from the MSIC is 591, and the code for the both company is 591 10 591 02 591 30. And for the description for the code or the MSIC is motion picture, video and the television program activities such as production, post-production and distribution. And last, for the Astro Berhad, the group from MSIC is 602 and the code is 60200, and the description is television programming and broadcasting activities. Lastly, in conclusion, as all of us can say that the three categories that we learn have a function in each other, and we also learn a new knowledge and things in this creative industry knowledge. And also the thing that the main thing is we just wanted to learn the new knowledge and just gonna share it to other of our friends.